How to know if someone read your message on Instagram secretly. In order for you to figure it out, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, simply move into your application Instagram. Make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Now move into your inbox section at the bottom of the screen. Once you're inside the inbox section, head over to the inbox of any of the person that you want to check whether they have read your message or not. So if you have already sent the message and it shows that seen just now, then it means that this person has already viewed your message. But in case, if inside the settings of Instagram, the read receipt is turned off, then you will not be able to see that if this person has read your message or not. I just turned off the read receipt, so now you can see that the seen icon is not available. So in order for you to know if this person has read the message, you simply need to turn on the read receipt. Move into messages and story replies and then head over to show read receipts. Simply turn on this icon. Now go back to the inbox. You can see the read receipts. Now if you have just sent another message, now once they view your message, then read receipt will be shown to you. After that, you'll get to know that they have read the message. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.